Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to remove a watermark from a video, okay? The last one we've done is on how to remove watermark from images completely free of charge. And this tutorial, our target is going to be on how to remove watermarks from videos, even maybe from using text as watermark, or an image or logo as watermark, we can be able to remove directly from the video. So this AI tool that we're going to use is called the 123 apps. You can check the link in the description. I'll just put the link in this description. So once you click on it, it is going to bring you over here. So there are so many things that you can do. You can, for example, have all of these share feature. Our main target for today is to remove logo from video or text from a video. But then you can do many other features, many other things like change volume, leave volume, do screen recorder, text to speech conversion, match videos, add audio to videos, and so many other things. And you have other tools like you can trim audio, change volume, change speed, and even do quite a lot as regards conversion of PDFs, splitting, and many other actions related to PDF, rotating, protecting, and so on. Then you have other converters over here. These tools are completely free to use for this particular website. But our target for today is to remove watermarks from a video. So all you need is to come over here. You can drag and drop the file if you're interested. But then let's go directly. And in this case, I have a video that has some text in it. You can see the text draft copy serving just like a watermark on the video. You can see it continuously. It is there. So I want to use this tool to remove it. So once I'm here, you can see remove the logo. We'll select one or more of the areas you wish to remove from the video. So my own is this picking tool has been activated. So I can come over here and just select the area that I want removed, which is this particular area. So you can see once you select it, you can come over here and you click on apply and your area is removed completely. So everything is now set. So you can come over here and download. We just want to click and download in 480 or 720. For YouTube, 720 is okay, but if you want to go advanced, this for paid version, you can go as far as 1080. But I think 720 is very, very good. So you can come over here and just click on download and it is going to download your video. You can see it over here. You can click on save and the video has just been downloaded. You can just click and have a preview of it. You can see it and remote watermark has been completely removed from the video. Very, very nice and clear. So even if you don't know, you will never know that there was a watermark on that. So let's try one more time and let's try another to remove another one that has a logo on the video. So let's go back to 1, 2, 3, right? And then, all right, so let's add the file, the video file. This one contains a logo, this one, which is the one that we're going to remove. So as usual, select one or more of the areas you wish to remove from your video. So let's select all of this. Okay, this is my main content, this area, and you can see it's been masked. And we can come over here directly and see apply and everything is gone. You can come here and see save and you can download the video also very easily. And you can see within a number of seconds, it's been downloaded and we can try to play and have a preview of what you have just downloaded also. So you can see it without the logo. You can see very, very clear and the logo doesn't exist. So basically this does it on this very simple tutorial on how to remove watermarks from a video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.